Hey guys, it's Colin Zillick, Sawgrass Fishing Rods, and this is the least fun thing to talk about when we are talking fishing rods, but warranty. We get a lot of questions about our warranty, and what we'd like to tell you, what we like to assume is that we make it as easy for you as is possible. So effectively, we have 3 steps with our warranty. Since most of you aren't getting to play with one of these rods before you purchase one, we have what we call our Touch to Trust warranty. So we're going to ship you a rod. It's got a tracking number on it after you purchase it. We know when you get it. You got 14 days to check it out, see if it meets your expectations, how you feel about it, and if you don't like it, contact us. We'll send you a return label. You ship it back to us. We're paying shipping on the way back, and we'll give you a full 100% refund. Second, if it breaks within the first 30 days, we're going to replace it at no charge. After that, for your lifetime, it's 1/2 retail. So buy BCS 5 at $399, it's $200 to get it replaced. That includes return shipping. We'll send it to you. All we need is that little logoed portion of the blank that identifies what it is. If you do have more questions, give us a call, drop us an email. But all the information has been rewritten and I think pretty clearly spelled out at sawgrassfishingrods.com.